Hello, my name is Nima and I'm the co-founder and CEO of Magic Feedback, and today I'm going to show you how our AI surveys work. This is incredibly cool and exciting, so I can't wait to kick it off. In this example, we're going to use an NPS survey that looks and feels exactly like a traditional survey but has AI under the hood, and in a moment you're going to experience it. So we're going to start with a question that is pretty common, which is on a scale 0 to 10, how likely are you to recommend us to friends or colleagues? I'm going to answer 3 just to simulate an unhappy user. The next question has nothing to do with AI. It's pretty common, an open-ended question asking for the reason behind the score. Here I'm going to say, bad customer support. And this is where traditional surveys fall short because it's really hard to action on that feedback. What does bad customer support actually mean? And this is where the AI comes in handy because once you click next, it actually understood what the user answered and then asked a really good follow-up question in the next question. So let's click next. Boom. Can you provide more details about the support you received? Of course, now we're digging a little bit deeper to understand the context behind this problem. And I'm just going to say they couldn't answer my questions. Let's just make it technical questions. And they never got back to me. Cool. Now when I click next, you'll see the AI again is probing for more insights with a really good follow-up question asking, can you tell me what the specific technical questions were that you asked and who you interacted with? But just to play the devil's advocate, I'm going to say I don't have time. And that happens. Sometimes people don't have time to answer these follow-up questions. And we'll click next again. And then you see the AI understood that the user said they didn't have time and then asked if we could reach out to them when it's more convenient. And you have the answer, yes, no, or that they're happy to, are you happy to schedule the meeting yourself? And then as a product manager, I save a lot of time chasing them with emails, trying to set up the meeting. In this case, I'm just going to answer, yes, you can reach out to me and submit. And boom, just like that, you just experienced the future of how surveys are going to work. You're going to get way deeper insights because you're capable of asking really good follow-up questions in the moment to get deeper insights. If you think this is cool and if you'd like to try it, feel free to reach out to us through our website, magicfeedback.io, or reach out to me directly on LinkedIn or wherever you find me, and we'd be happy to tell you more. I hope you enjoyed this demo. I think it's pretty cool, and I hope you think so too. Thanks so much for taking the time to watch this.